Hello guys, you are welcome again to this channel. As you know, I bring you information on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. Today I want to go deep to COTPS and make us understand certain things about them. But before I go on, do me a favor by subscribing to my channel right away. I will be glad you did. It is a way of supporting me to do more videos. Thank you for subscribing. Before we commence, I would love to tell us 3 things to do before investing in any online business, no matter how true it might sound or could be. After this then I will go to tell you more about COTPS. 1. Watch out for the too good to be true online business. Just like COTPS. Guys, let's be realistic. Even banks won't give you a 3.6% investment return in a month. Ask any financial guru and they would tell you that it's never possible. Yes, I know you might say, this is possible in the crypto world. Yes, it is very possible. COTPS is not based on demand and supply, but based on a strategic and well-planned project to rip people off their money. COTP is a company, not a coin. 2. Do your research properly and patiently. In this life, you are in no competition with anyone. The cloud is big enough for you. Let your friends decide their path while you decide your path. The killing point here is that once we see people making money from a particular system, we rush into it, not even trying to do a proper and careful research about the business. As far as you see your friend cashing out, you also want to join. Don't run your life based on someone's decision, run your life based on your own decisions. 3. Never put your life savings in an online business. This is online, not physical. Anything can happen. I heard of someone who put in the entire money he had saved for his wedding and in the end, lost all when COTPS crashed. I know of someone who lost his school fees by putting it in COTPS. Let us be careful and invest little of our reserve in any online business. I am going to be doing a video on the 8 ways you can be scammed online. If you wish to be notified when we upload this video, kindly click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. This will alert you immediately we upload the video. To round up this section on the 3 things to do before investing in any online business, no matter how true it might sound or could be, let me say this, friend. Online business is risky but can be very profitable if you find the right one. Let us be very careful before investing online. A deep dive to the COTPS world. Aside the return on investment promised to investor, which of course is not feasible, there are many loopholes we found out that would really help us to avoid making mistakes while investing in other online business. 1. Nobody knows how the profit in COTPS is realized. All you do is input money into the system. And let the system trade for you by doing something every 2 hours. There is no thorough supervision. No monitoring of the market. Nothing. This, to me, is not ideal. This alone was a pure red flag. Let us be careful not to repeat this mistake in the future. 2. COTPS claimed to trade digital currencies but never mentioned any particular currency pairs, nor mentioned any trading platform where these trades are performed. I am sure we didn't take note of this, right? Currency pairs are very important when talking of cryptocurrency. You trade a pair for another pair. But this was never mentioned in COTPS. Investors could only deposit USDT, and whatever happened in between was never their problem. Well, if you think they ever mentioned it, kindly put it in the comment box below. 3. When you look deep into the referral scheme, it's like the existing investors were being rewarded from the fund of new investors and not necessarily the possible outcome of trading. Of course, there was no trading pairs. What were they trading? No one knows. 4. They claim to be the first to have efficiently and successfully used HFT, but they are not even among the first 15. What a lie. HFT stands for high frequency trading. This is using an automated trading system that uses complex algorithms to scan markets for even the smallest of opportunities, execute millions of orders at speeds faster than the traditional market participants. The question is, what were they scanning for? What currency pairs? Big question, I guess. You can Google online for companies using HFT efficiently and successfully, and you wouldn't find COTP there. If you think you got value from this video, please pause and subscribe to this channel now, and click the notification button for update on COTPS. And also, if you wish to learn how to make money online, please do not forget to subscribe. It is a way of supporting this channel. Thank you. 5. They had unknow founder. These guys really got nerves. When a founder of a company is not known, it is only a matter of time before the company folds up. It was during the COTPS crisis, I realized they started making up names for the owner of COTPS. All this was just to deceive people. 6. They claimed to have started since 2019, but there was no one who had benefited enough from them since that time to do a core review about them. This, to me, was a red flag. They were nowhere to be on Trustpilot, but on Scam Advisor. On the site, they had 51% score, identified as suspicious. 7. I also noticed that users were expected to deposit funds to a given wallet address. This was something many never knew. That simply implies that they had to buy USDT from an external platform. A big company like COTPS, that deals in digital currencies, should have options for users to buy from. This was truly a red flag, guys. 8. COTP claims to have provided rewards to its customers since 2019, but its MSB registration shows that the platform was registered in October 2021. What else do you want to know, guys? Like I said I was going to bring you true facts about this company. Well, you still don't believe me? No problem. Let's go on. Did you ever search Google for the company's address displayed on the contact page of their MSB? Well, this was another red flag. Also note that having an MSB registration number does not make a platform legit. Anyone can do that by simply completing forms online. 9. Also, it was stated on their website that all digital assets are FDIC insured for up to $250,000 per customer. This was never true because the FDIC insures only regulated companies. To prevent you from getting to see this online, they got the memo and removed it from their site. 10. Multiple websites. Come on, guys. How can a company have multiple websites? Did you even pause to check their website? How could a multi-billion-dollar company have such a poor website? The contents were repeated severally, no structure. I am a web developer and I know a good website when I see one. I noticed a lot of grammatical errors with images gotten from photo/image website. The website COTPS-OTC.com was just not it, guys. Also looking at the other website COTP.com and COTP.net, I realized COTP was not just it at all. The website COTPS.com was registered in March 2019 while COTPS.net was registered in October 2021. What more evidence do you need? I think it's time to wrap this up. It took me time to do this, so please kindly subscribe to this channel for more update. If you think you got value from this video, please pause and subscribe to this channel now, and click the notification button for update on COTPS. And also, if you wish to learn how to make money online, please do not forget to subscribe. It is a way of supporting this channel. Thank you.